This is our 2019 BMW M850i, and it is absolutely stunning. A superb car, folks. Probably the nicest car BMW manufacturer today, I would suggest. It's in an absolutely stunning shade of blue. It's got the right wheels, the right interior. It is the perfect specification. It's got loads of options, including the all-important crafted clarity glass interior with the piano black, the oyster leather, and adaptive cruise control, semi-autonomous driving, heated steering wheel, heated seats, full digital display. It's a stunning car. So going on to your wheels, you've got these fantastic multi-spokes with the blue brake calipers. Those discs are absolutely huge, they're like dinner plates. P-zero tyres all round. Got the M badge on the wing there, and this lovely detail on this wing vent with the chrome and the gloss black. It's got the full surround camera system as this car. You see the camera there and the wing mirror, and again this looks stunning. It's got the chrome detail there with the indicator built in. But if you look at those lines, just beautiful. There's a lot of detail there, so wouldn't have been an easy car to make those panels for. Really nice. This one's got the BMW laser headlights. Fantastic option to have. Look great and really illuminate the road as you're going, which is what you want. You've got the huge BMW grille. See there the radar for the adaptive cruise control, and the camera just over there for the 360 cams. It's a lot of car, this really is. I think it's very eye-catching, and in this colour combination and this specification, it really is probably one of the nicest out there under £70,000. We do offer numerous different finance packages, so if you'd like to get a PCP or LP or interest-only quote, just let me know and we can put something together. We do offer nationwide delivery as well to your door on a enclosed or flatbed trailer. Stunning car. Got the chrome round the windows, which I'm not usually a fan of, but I think on this car it just works well because it ties in with the wing mirror chrome trim, the blue, the wheels. It just all works. Got a lovely detail in the roof here on both sides, that sort of recessed out going down the middle. Got the lip spoiler here, which again is a nice detail. The M850i badge finishing like an anthracite grey. Got the extra vents here which give it some extra detail, and then again the exhaust, you've got two outlets with twins behind each chrome trim, and they are X-drive as well, 4-wheel drive, so you've got no need to worry about getting stuck. Really like this car. It's in immaculate condition as you'd expect. Let's have a look inside. It's got power tailgate, of course. Buttons there. Quite a pretty big boot. Close that. this lovely frameless glass, as you should have on any coupe, or coupe as we call it in the UK. It's got the ambient lighting just there, don't know if you can see, and there, shines up beautifully. You can obviously change the colour on it. You've got this brushed aluminium trim, got the Harman Kardon again inset in the brushed aluminium trim. Got the oyster leather with the stitching, and then the black here with the stitching. It's all part of the BMW individual leather pack. You can see on the seats. Got that perforated leather, carbon core M850i. That's what makes such a big car so light and still quite nimble. And again, the full leather dash with the contrast stitching. I mean, BMW have gone to town. This is their flagship car, is the 8 Series, and the M850i is really the top one, other than the new M8. That's a lovely bit of chrome trim here. The pulls, the seats go back as you forward, I should say, as you release them. Got the speakers there in the rear panels, rear seats. The previous owner bought some genuine BMW winter mats as well. They come with the car on top of the overmats, just to protect the light interior. Again, here you can see the ambient lighting LED. Got the crafted clarity glass package, which is beautiful, and I think a must-have. It looks awful without. Got the frameless rear view mirror. And again, you've got the LEDs in the overhead lights, and you've got this lovely alcantara headlining here. Looks really nice. Let's go round to the driver's side. So on the driver's side, you've got your power folding wing mirrors and wing mirror adjust. You've got windows, again Harman Kardon sound, memory settings for your seats. I've got one key here, which is the spare key, and then the main key is one of the superb display keys with a screen where you can control the car, see how much fuel you've got left, etc., lock the car, etc. So that's there. That was a fantastic option to have and well worth having. You've got things like this, again, this brushed satin chrome trim, automatic lights of course, lovely M steering wheel, heated phone, voice control. Got the again, you've got this satin aluminium trim on the steering wheel and on the gear shifters, and you've also got the adaptive cruise control and full autonomous driving, so the car will start, stop, accelerate, keeping a set distance of traffic in front, and steer itself. So that's really clever stuff. Automatic high beam, and of course electric steering column. Everything's covered in leather and alcantara. It's beautiful, really is nice in here, and piano gloss black trim as well, and crafted clarity glass. I mean, the materials are superb. You've got the various suspension and driving settings, start stop button, cameras, parking sensors, stop start, and obviously all your media maps there, and that's all your climate control with your heated seats and favourite buttons. Even this has got this lovely knurled finish on the knob with a glass face. Really nice, and again the same on here. You've got the knurled finish. So yeah, it's really nice. The materials, they've really gone to town. If we start it up, you can see so you've got things like speed limit display there. Next service not due for another 9,000 miles. Done nearly 11,000 miles now. So this whole screen can be configured how you want it. You can display navigation, etc. there if you wish. And obviously you've got the main screen here. So if you want to do things like configure your various driving modes, you can do. So for example there you can configure individual. If you want to adjust the steering, damping, engine, transmission, literally everything. Okay. And then if we go back to home, I'll show you the cameras there. So you've got the 360, you've got the park assist as well, so the car will actually park itself. Reversing assistant. It's very clever stuff. Obviously again that's all adjustable. And then you've also got things like obviously navigation, as I've shown you, DAB of course, and various other radio stations and settings here that you can display. But if you go down here, you can scroll down. This is using the wheel here. You can scroll down the various things, even if you want to have like various apps that you want to display, whether it's the BMW ones, which are like BMW connected, so you can control the car from your phone, so you can set up the climate or anything like that. You can buy more from the BMW store. It's all very clever stuff. And then on your car mode you can see things like vehicle status, settings, driver profiles. So if we go to the vehicle status, for example, I think this is where we can fuel reserve. Yeah, I need to put some fuel in. Service requirements, service history. So if we click on that, service on 8th of January 19 for 6 miles. Next one 11/20 and 9,000 miles. And brake fluid in 2021, vehicle check 2022, etc, etc, etc. And that is pretty much it. Obviously media, you can use numerous different sources for playback, whether that be music collection, Bluetooth, you can mirror your phone, etc. So loads of options there. And then you can see that when I press that mode, it will actually set itself to drive the car. Yeah, it's a really, really nice vehicle. And so it should be. It's BMW's flagship. And that's pretty much it, folks. So that's our 2019 BMW 850i blue with ivory, multi-spoke wheels, and literally pretty much all the options you could want. I'm going to list everything in the ad for you. Just let us know if you have any questions or like a finance quote or delivery quote, and I'd be more than happy to oblige. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and look forward to seeing you on the next video.